Hello and welcome to WP Clicks YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to get user ID in WordPress. The purpose of the ID number is to identify a specific item in the WordPress database. In this case, the user ID number. To get the user ID, head over to your backend. Click on Users and then on All Users. Find the user you want to get the user ID for and click on Edit. After the user's profile opens, look for user_ID equals number in the URL. As for finding your own user ID, the process is almost the same. Go to Users and click on All Users. You'll find your own name in the authors list as well as the number of posts you've written. Click on the post number and find your user ID in the address bar, where it will be listed as author equals number. And that's it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.